Hi, this is Ben, and I'm getting out my brand new HotFrog outdoor composter. Inside the box, there were the two giant tumblers and the frame, along with the instructions and the hardware. The instructions are basically just this diagram. We will need some kind of wrench or pliers and a screwdriver. Okay, to get started, locate the two angled pieces that have a hole at the top on the bend. This is going to be the top where the crossbar will go across. Then what we're going to need to do is locate one of the L pieces that is tapered on the long end and the other L piece that is not tapered on the long end. These will be fit together and we'll put a bolt through it, and this will form one of the legs. Then we will do the same thing with the remaining two L pieces. All right, so those will form our legs. Now all we have to do is connect them to the other two supports. So on each section, you just slide the smaller end into the larger end. For the final cross beam, make sure to use the longer bolts. So what I'm going to do is first attach this on one side, and I'm not going to tighten it down. So now I can swivel this out, and there is a center hole the bar will be going through. Then I have to bend it just a little to get it to fit in between the two arms. There we go. Then the final step is to attach the bolt on the other side. That's all there is to it. It's putting this together. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.